Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best swimming goggles with nose cover that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5 is the Sego Kids Swim Goggles Snorkel Diving Mask for Youth. Priced at just $13.79, these goggles are the budget-friendly option on our list, designed specifically for kids aged 5 to 15. Its standout feature is the 180-degree clear view lens, which provides excellent underwater visibility, making it ideal for young swimmers who are still building their confidence in the water. The anti-fog coating ensures uninterrupted clarity, while the soft silicone frame sits comfortably on the face. When it comes to design and build quality, the Sego goggles feature a simple yet effective construction. The adjustable strap makes it easy to find the perfect fit, although it's more of a basic rubber strap that may tug on longer hair. It's lightweight and compact, which is great for portability, but may lack the advanced durability of higher-priced options. Overall, the Sego Kids Swim Goggles are perfect for parents looking for an affordable, entry-level product for recreational water activities. While it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of premium goggles, it offers solid performance for its price. The main downside is that it may not be as comfortable for extended wear, especially for kids with sensitive skin or long hair. At number 4, we have the Kids Swimming Goggles Swim Mask with Nose Cover from Waterpace. Priced at $22.99, this product offers a step up in quality and features compared to the budget option. One of its key highlights is the anti-shattered polycarbonate lens, which provides durability and safety for active kids. It also incorporates UV protection and a no-leak design, ensuring both comfort and functionality during swimming sessions. The build quality here is impressive for the price. The silicone frame is soft and molds well to different facial shapes, making it suitable for kids aged 3 to 15. The adjustable strap is user-friendly, although it's not as advanced as the fabric straps found in higher-end models. The nose cover is a great addition, helping kids who are uncomfortable with water entering their nose. However, the viewing angle isn't as wide as some of the premium options, so it might feel slightly restrictive for older kids. Overall, these goggles strike a good balance between affordability and performance. They're ideal for swimming lessons and casual water play, but if your child needs a truly panoramic viewing experience or advanced anti-fog features, you might want to explore higher-ranked options. Taking the third spot is the Vivinka Kids Goggles with Nose Cover, priced at $22.99. What sets this pair apart is its thoughtful design features, such as the elastic fabric strap that prevents hair pulling, an incredibly useful feature for kids with long or curly hair. The goggles also boast anti-shattered polycarbonate lenses with UV protection and an anti-fog coating, providing a crystal-clear underwater view and protecting sensitive eyes from harmful rays. The 3D one-piece silicone frame with a nose cover offers superior comfort and prevents leaks, making it ideal for extended use. It's also lightweight, which adds to the overall comfort factor. The adjustable clips on the strap are intuitive, allowing kids to find their fit with minimal effort. The panoramic viewing experience is excellent, giving kids more confidence as they explore underwater. However, while the design is robust, it might feel slightly oversized for kids on the younger end of the recommended age range. Overall, the Vivinka Kids Goggles deliver a premium feel at a mid-range price. It's a fantastic choice for parents whose kids are looking to level up their swimming experience. But it may be less suitable for toddlers or very young children. Coming in at number 2 are the Vinka 2-piece Kids Swim Goggles with Nose Cover, priced at $29.99. This product is optimized for younger swimmers aged 3 to 6, making it a specialized option on the list. It features a wide-view design with oversized lenses that provide 30% more visibility compared to standard goggles. The anti-shattered and anti-fog technology ensures durability and clarity, while the UV protection shields young eyes from harmful sunlight during outdoor swim sessions. The build quality here is top-notch, with an enlarged silicone cushion that ensures a snug yet pressure-free fit. The goggles are lightweight and designed to prevent raccoon eyes, which is a common concern for kids who wear goggles for extended periods. The upgraded quick-release strap system is particularly convenient for parents, allowing for hassle-free adjustments without pulling on their child's hair. These goggles are perfect for toddlers and young kids who need a secure, comfortable fit while learning to swim. However, the price point is slightly higher, and the size may feel restrictive for older children. If you're looking for a premium option tailored for younger swimmers, this is an excellent choice. And at number 1, we have the Vinka swim goggles with nose cover, a 2-pack option priced at $29.99. These goggles are the ultimate combination of comfort, performance, and value. Designed for kids aged 3 to 15, they feature oversized lenses that deliver panoramic underwater visibility while protecting against UV rays and reducing glare. The advanced anti-fog coating maintains clarity for twice as long as standard goggles, making them ideal for extended swim sessions. The silicone frame with a soft nose cover is engineered for maximum comfort, ensuring a secure fit without causing pressure marks or discomfort. The quick-release strap system is hair-friendly and easy for kids to adjust on their own, making these goggles incredibly user-friendly. The sporty mirrored lens design is both functional and stylish, appealing to kids who want a cool look while swimming. If you're looking for a top-tier option that combines durability, functionality, and thoughtful design, the Vinka swim goggles are an unbeatable choice. The only downside is the higher price point, but considering the 2-pack bundle and premium features, it's well worth the investment for families who want the best for their little swimmers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.